Tomorrow's future is finally here. Yes, you have heard it correctly because today I have this special product which will blow your mind. Introducing Sharper Image Gravity Rover, which is known for its futuristic qualities. And if you give it a quick glance, you can see inside that it has a special feature that no other gravity rover has. Alright, so now let's unbox this. But before we do anything else, please subscribe to my channel and also like this video, and also check out my merch. Link will be in the description box. Now, let's unbox this bad boy and let's see, is this a high-tech or a no-tech? So, let's get started. Alright, so now what's out of the box? So first, we have our futuristic remote control. Then, we have instruction manual, of course. And then we have a Type-C cable, which is pretty fascinating that Sharper Image has put effort into. Now finally, our main product, the rover, which as you can see right here, it has spinning blades inside, which I've never seen in an anti-gravity rover. So I don't know how this is gonna come out, but we'll check later. Now a closer look on the rover. So as you can see, it has a nice futuristic design. So you can see the plastic mesh right over here, the wheels, like these are pretty sick as you can see. And in this there's like a mechanism, so if you turn one, all of them turn. So I think they're connected all together and it's on both sides. And I believe there's a LED strip here according to the box, but I don't really know. And then in here you can see there are the blades I'm spinning. There are two of them, like if I show on the back side, there are two blades in here, which is pretty amazing. And this is the on and off switch so that you can turn it on and off. So now it's in on mode, and then there are like two LED lights over here which will indicate that it's on. Then over here there's the motor, and then on this side you can see there is the Type-C charging port over here, right here. There's your charging it. And I think it will take like 1 hour-ish to charge. And like, this is quite really lightweight. I believe like the thing is like 3D printed. I believe so because it's super duper light. Now this is our remote control. So as you can see, it's quite futuristic, like the black and white, and with the orange, it looks pretty awesome. And this is the left wheel joystick controlling. This is the right controlling. And then this is the on and off switch. So you can see this design over here. So you can turn this on and then you can turn this off. Then this over here, this ring, this is the antenna plus status ring. And over here, this is our gravity drive mode. So if you press this on, the propellers will start running and then it will climb walls and ceilings. So now with that out of the way, it actually needs like 4 batteries, so we'll put this in. Alright, so now our battery is installed. Let's now try this out. Alright, now let's turn this on. So we have turned it on, and then we'll turn on this. The moment of truth, it's automatically paired, and you can see the ring of lights. Let me turn off the lights. Alright, and we'll just leave this. So as you can see, look at the glow in here. Like, this is super amazing. Alright, now let's turn this back on. It's too dark. Alright, so now let's get this in hand. I don't know which is the front and which is the back, which is pretty missing me out. I think this is the front with the orange. Ooh. Fascinating. Like, this actually makes me feel like it's like a creature or something. Like, very fascinating. Wow. And now the anti-gravity mode. So now we'll press this.
Look at this dude. No, 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 no. Look at his lips.
Okay, so after that complete destruction, now let's actually test this out. So we're gonna turn this on. This is super loud. Wow. This is super loud. Why would they make it so loud? Why? This this is like not like normal for kids. Like what? Why is this too loud? Like this just burned my ears or something. So now let's just test it like on a wall. We'll put it right there and then it worked. Wow. So this was all about the Sharper Image Gravity Rover, which is pretty satisfying but painful at the same time. I mean, the mechanism and the thinking process behind some scientists and Sharper Image has put into it is really fascinating. That the propellers are defying gravity, but it is so loud. Plus, they have wasted a lot of cardboard in their packaging. So, I mean, I give this like a 7 or 6 out of 10. The gravity mechanism is pretty awesome. It's unbreakable. Like, I've dropped it many times. And like, it's like, super smooth. It's better than the one I got before by design and the mechanism, but it's a little bit loud. So like, if you have some children or like if you're just annoyed of like loud sounds, then I recommend not buying this. But for other circumstances, yes, go ahead, buy this. I bought this from Target and it's also available in Walmart as well. It's for only $39. So I'll see you guys next time. See ya and enjoy your new Sharper Image Gravity Rover.